Data 360, party is a central identification entity which holds all the customer records. We know that we map all the profile data with individuals, and we also map these profile data with contact point data model objects. We have a party data model within Data 360, which is a parent object for these individuals and contact point data model objects. A party has a subject area. You can understand this subject area in a form of a relationship between these individuals and contact point data model objects. We map a profile data with individual. We map the same profile data channel addresses with contact point data model objects like contact point email, contact point phone, contact point address, contact point social, etc. Similarly, these are automatically mapped with a parent object which is known as party. Party makes sure that it has the relationship for all these mappings stored in a subject area. The party data model object is a super object which is linked to these individuals and contact point data model objects, and it auto generates a party ID for each mapping you do. Suppose I have a lead 001 and that lead got converted to a contact which can be 002. Technically, these two are different identifiers of a same entity. The same entity can be termed as party.